Replacing your recliner arm. Begin by undoing the snaps and Velcro from the bottom of the outside back. Remove the back. Flip the unit over. Remove the 2 bolts and 2 screws that hold the kick-out to the mechanism. Remove the handle screw and handle. Remove the 4 screws that secure the mechanism to the base. Remove the mechanism. Remove the snap stud on the side of the arm being replaced. Remove a few staples from the lounge draw on the arm side. Be sure to remove any broken staples from the frame with a pair of pliers. Remove the staples from the inside of the bottom side rail. Remove the staples from the inside draw and arm flap on the seat rail. Remove the staples along the back side of the arm post. Remove the arm from the frame. Now you will slide the new arm onto the frame, making sure you tuck the arm draws between the arm and the seat. Pull the inside arm draw to the bottom outside edge of the seat rail and staple in place. Pull the fabric to the top inside edge of the rail or higher to prevent sag on the outside arm material and staple evenly across. Align the fabric with the bottom inside edge of the arm post and staple in place. Fold the fabric to the bottom inside edge of the arm post, again staple in place. Fold the fabric smooth to the back outside edge of the lower back post and staple in place. Pull the inside arm flap to the bottom outside edge of the seat rail and staple in place. Staple the lounge draw back into place. Reinstall the mechanism. Secure the mechanism to the base with the 4 screws. Attach the handle and screw into place. Install the 2 silver bolts that connect the kick-out to the mechanism. Before tightening down the 2 silver bolts, pull the kick-out towards you. Install the 2 black screws into the kick-out. Flip the unit back over and install the back. Connect the snaps and Velcro to the bottom of the outside back. Your repair is now complete.